Hello friends, welcome to the Angular 8 tutorial. In this tutorial we will see type of the pipes like parameterized pipe and the multiple pipe. In the previous tutorial we get to know basic about the pipe, like why we use the pipe and what are the pipe. So if you didn't watch part 18 of this tutorial series, I recommended you please watch that before proceeding with this tutorial. So basically parameterized pass is we used to pass any number of parameter to a pipe using a colon. So like for a particular format, if we want the output, we use the parameter to the pipe. So basically this is the syntax if we are using multiple pipe on the same uh, pipe. Like on the data element I want to give one pipe, and these are the parameter, like parameter 1, parameter 2, and the parameter 3, like, and we can give multiple. And like for an example, like on date I want to show this date in a short form. So how I can give the pipe, like a dob will be the field name which is coming from the component and we are showing on the html page, and this is the date. This is basically a pipe name, so that is date colon, and we want to show in a particular format, and that is short. Same goes for currency, like currency I want to show in the usd, then on the salary, and this is the symbol of the pipe, and the currency will be the pipe name colon and usd. Like this salary will show in the usd format, and true basically it will show the usd symbol, and this is 1.4, like till this number it can go. So let's understand more about this parameterized pipe using an example. So go to the Visual Studio Code, and on the component page what I will do, I will take some variable to show the data. Like I will take one dob, and what I will do, I will assign some default value to this, like new date. So basically we will define some date to this, so we have to use like this, and we have to give the date like 1990 I want to show in this format, and then we have to give the a month name, like I will give like 12, and this one I will give 01, sorry, and comma we have to use. So basically we are done with this date. Basically 0 in it doesn't allow, either we can take as 1, so that is fine. Now let's show this dob on the component page. So what I will do, I will write date is, and dob I will write. Now simply first we'll see how it is showing on the browser. So let's save it first, dob. So at point of this time what it is showing, like date is, so it is showing full date like Tuesday Jan, this full format it is showing. So what I want to put one pipe to this one. So what I will write, like formatted short date is, so I will put a pipe that is short, like pipe date colon and this one. Now let's see on the browser how it is showing. So we can see like short date is this one 1191, and it is coming with the time. So this is the way we can use it. This is the way we can use it pipe in our application, and we can give different formatted, like in the short format if I want to give and different format, like I will take colon, and I will take like one I will take like month, then date, then y, and let's save it and see on the browser how it is showing. So we can see like 1 1, and this time is also showing. So means in different scenario we can use the date. Now what I will do, I will take an example of the salary which I have seen. So I will take one parameter here like salary, and I will define some value to this. And now on the HTML page, salary is, so on the curly braces we have to use salary, and this is should match with this. Here I will put br and see on the browser. So first point of this time it will, so first save it properly. So at this time it will show normal salary like this one. Now what I want, like I shown on my PPT, like I will show this salary, I will put one pipe called currency, and I will make it is in a USD and true, like it will show the this dollar symbol. So on this I will put pipe currency and then colon if we want in format like, so USD, and next again we have to take comma or colon to show the multiple like this. So we have to use colon and we have to put it true. So before that USD we have to take. Now let's save it and see on the browser. So like it is changing to the dollar. So this is the way of using parameterized constructor in the Angular 8. And the next concept comes of multiple or chaining piping. So as I told you, there are some basic pipes given by the Angular, like uppercase. We have seen in last video, like for showing the all the string into the uppercase, we use the uppercase pipe. Same goes for the lowercase. Another title case, like I have a name like Munesh Sharma and I want to show my first letter as a capital alphabet, then we use the title case. And next is the slice. Like slice means take a slice, as the name indicate, like take a slice, like from the string I want starting 3 letter, then what we have to do, we have to take the slice pipe and we have to give the starting index. And if we want character between the particular index, then we use starting index and end index. So let's understand this as well for with an example. So what I will do, I will take like I will take some parameter like student name equal to, I will give like I will take like Govind Sharma, and here I will take all this as a small only. So in this case title case pipe will be used, because it if we will put the title case pipe, then it will make the G and S as a capital letter. And if we now let's understand with this variable all the things. So first we will understand like H2 I will take like uppercase. So for that what I will do, student name, and first we will understand normally only. Now let's copy it and put it. Next is the lowercase, and next is next we will take this title case. So title case, and then slice index, and next is the slice index with end index. So what I will make, at point of this time we will see on the browser it will show normal like Govind Sharma everywhere. So what I will do for this one, I will put pipe like uppercase. For this one I will put like lowercase, and for title case I will put like title case, and for this one I will take like slice. And this one how we use, as I shown, like we have to put the colon like slice and the colon name and the index we have to provide. So slice colon and index I will take as a 2, and for this one slice and I will take 2 to 5, and let's save it and see on the browser now. So it is not showing anything. Let's save it and see what's wrong here. Okay, in uppercase we have given it. Now let's save it and see on the browser. So let's verify everything is correct or not, otherwise it will not show output on the browser. For uppercase it is fine, lowercase it is fine. For title, yeah, for title case the spelling is wrong, so title case title, and for slice it is fine, this one. Okay, now let's save it and see on the browser. Yeah, so for uppercase we can see all letters are in capital, in lower all in the lowercase. In title case, as I told, like G and S it will make the capital, and for the slice index like I have given 2, so after 2 it is will take full string, and in the slice index with end index like 2 or 5 I have given, so it will take win. So it is working as expected. So this is basically all about the multiple, or we can say chaining pipe in the Angular 8. So if you have any doubt or question, please let me know. Thank you.